What is today? Today's Saturday. Alright, so it's Saturday, February 9th. We're headed down to Washington, D.C., down to the Convention Center for the International Bike Show. I've got Rusty here with me. You guys may recognize him from the latest Wild and Wonderful Weekend series. We've got one more person to pick up along the way, and should be there in about an hour. Alright, we got our last passenger, so now it's time to head on the rest of the way down to DC. Boom! 2 years in a row. Alright, so we made it down here to the Walter E. Reed Convention Center for the 2019 DC Progressive International Motorcycle Show. Big thanks to them for giving me that press pass. Noah got in for free too, but Rusty had to pay for his, no big deal. So we're going to check things out and see what the new 19 models look like. No, this is what we need, a 6-seater mule. A winch on the front to pull me out when I crash my dirt bike. Or get it stuck in the mud. Look at the doors on this thing. What do you think?
Yeah, probably a good ride. I like it.
GSXR 150, you've got a customer survey on it, so you can say what you like. Oh, you get some safety wiring and stuff done down here. Kevin, so I was up in Canada. Check out the size of that muffler. Big, gigantic. I really like this Suzuki Neiman back here in the back of the seat. Cheesy.
Right there has the bags and the crash bars on it. It's even got this plate, this motor. It's even got that.
And it's right out there exposed. This one's outfitted with the factory crash bars, bags in the back. Might provide a little bit of protection with the coolant line running down here. Motocross version, so the tank's not as big, but it feels like it's a little bit bigger otherwise. Switching brand loyalties?
No, I'll just say
you just want a 450.
Put my foot down.
This Hills bike, the 34. You can go.
Down there for a couple days. You just put it that good.
Notice the exhaust over on this side. And we've got an outlet over on this side.
So you're going to be right there, right above a large.
You never know who you're going to run into down here at the motorcycle show.
Who wants to find me at a motorcycle show?
Makes the carbon fiber pop a little bit. I like that swing on it too. I wouldn't mind rocking that just because I feel like Evil Knievel. I think that's my helmet right there. Like that old school Honda. Rusty, let's get one of these and take it racing. I think he's gonna need some parts.
Yeah, probably needs a tank.
Yeah. Looks so much.
Yeah.
Riding position feels basically the same as my old C70. It's just not even really that different. I don't like this blue though. I prefer it to be white. I mean, it's a scooter. Give it everything it's got.
Yeah, let's just go that way, okay? Don't run over some of the Triumphs.
All right, so that's our tour of the International Motorcycle Show. Rusty, the first one you ever attended, what'd you think?
I liked it. A lot of good stuff in there.
There you have it. No, what'd you think?
I liked it. I liked the bikes, although I'm kind of sad KTM wasn't in there.
You and me both, buddy.